Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the static mesh editor for the asset you want to change. You must view collision first, so enable Show Right Arrow Collision to see existing shapes. Once visible, examine whether simple primitives or multiple convex hulls are present. Now remove any unwanted auto collisions by selecting them and using Delete Collision. At this point, you're ready to create the single, controlled collision that will replace the default behavior. Don't skip verifying mesh scale and pivot. Now you create the collision that will dictate physics and hits. Choose Collision Right Arrow Add Box or Add Sphere for simple shapes, or Collision Right Arrow Auto Convex Collision if you need multiple convex pieces. Auto Convex is the one controlled method for complex meshes. Place and scale each primitive to tightly fit the visible mesh. Make sure collision complexity is set to use simple collision, because that instructs Unreal to use your primitives for queries and physics. Once aligned, save the static mesh and proceed to build. Finish by saving the static mesh and placing the actor in your level. Make sure collision visualization is enabled in the main viewport so you can verify containment. Test interactions. Simulate physics, fire a projectile, and monitor overlap and hit events to confirm expected behavior. If collisions are wrong, go back to the static mesh editor and tweak the auto-convex settings or reapply primitives. Also check mesh import scale and reset actor transforms to avoid misalignment. This is the key troubleshooting step to fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.